Ito noon hong coalition na pinabalak na ibuo ng mga palos, iniisip namin, ang aming expectation nito na magiging isang instrumento na lalong maipaglaban namin ang aming mga karapatan.
Individuals working together can achieve so much more. If you put your voices together, then your voices will be heard even more clearly.
Inaasahan ko yung malaman ko about information about sa leprosy, the disease, and also yung ano yung mga advocacy tsaka yung mga gawain na maaaring ibigay ng gobyerno para ma-end yung discrimination sa mga leprosy patients.
We need different approaches and extra effort in order to reduce it further. And hopefully, kahit na hindi totally eradicated, at least minimize lahat ng epekto ng leprosy.
Talagang kung hindi tayo magsama-sama, hindi natin mararating ang ating pupuntahan. Tulad nilang dalawang mag-ama.
Ang word na nakita ko ay ang body and heart. Kasi po ang body ay nagre-represent sa partner agencies and workers. At ang heart ay ang pulse.
Kung wala isa sa kanila, walang mangyayari.
Coalition is the ball of the tide.
It is wonderful that you are here together, thinking about walking down that road together.
Hindi hadlang ang may kapansanan. Nakatulong sa community, and then ang patungo natin ito, pagtutulungan para isa tayo mag-coalition.
Work together ang word na naano ko doon. Because hindi po kami ma-organize kung hindi sa work together.
The dream is way beyond imagination. And yet, it's grounded. Grounded within the realities of the stakeholders of the coalition.
Ang pinakamalaking problema sa keto ay hindi yung bacteria, kung hindi yung stigma.
Even though patients have a disease, they still have a voice. Sometimes limbs may be taken away by the disease of leprosy, but the voice should never be taken away.
Nung matapos kami nagamot sa tinatawag na multi-drug therapy, so nawala yon, pumalito yung stigma at diskriminasyon na lalo yatang nagpapahirap sapagkat yung aming sakit na lepra ay sakit ng katawan. Pero ang diskriminasyon at stigma na aming nadadama ay sakit po ng damdamin.
Hanggang kailan natin sasabihin na tayo ay pasyente at hindi normal na tao. Isang klase ng stigma na marami sa atin hanggang sa kayan ay meron. Yung meron tayong sariling takot, baka natakot tayo na baka iwasan tayo ng tao. So ang tawag po dito ay anticipated stigma. It's a felt or a perceived stigma.
Self-stigmatization is unfortunately something that comes from inside. Dignity has to begin with us.
One important part of the human rights-based approach is participation. It's the participation that helps recognize the dignity. The people who are getting this special attention, yes, they're vulnerable. Yes, they're marginalized. But may dignity pa sila. And by having them participate, you are recognizing that dignity.
Panahon na para magsaya. Dahil tayo'y pinaalam, sa pag-ibig tayo'y nilikha. Pantay-pantay sa karapatan.
Ikaw ako, mahal ng Diyos. 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 La la la, tayo'y magtulungan at magkaisa para sa mundong walang diskriminasyon. Tayo'y magtulungan at magkaisa para sa mundong walang diskriminasyon.
Very impressed by all the Filipino participants. They can, by dancing, by singing, to express their idea, their thoughts. I think it's very exciting about this workshop, and I can really see the very bright future by people working together.
I think this workshop is very important to move forward to build a partnership and networking between people affected by leprosy, so they can have a strong voice to working together to solve their problem about discrimination and other problems related with leprosy.
If you join up with other groups who have similar interests, then your voices will be louder.
Itong significant na event na ito ay magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataon upang mapag-isa at magkaroon ng mas malakas na tinig ang ating mga people affected by leprosy upang ang kanila pong concerns ay mas mahigit na marinig ng mga iba't ibang stakeholders.
This will be the way to fight against the stigma, to reach our goal that we can gain our dignity and respect, encourage people to get in sama-sama. And so then he's trying to connecting people, to encourage people to working together.
Meron tayong gusto na mangyari sa buhay, na gusto nating gagawin, gusto nating makita, gusto nating makakamit. Pero, pag ang aspiration na yan, yung gusto mo, ay nakafocus doon sa issue na hindi mo kontrolado, ang feeling mo ay powerless ka, paano natin mabigyan ng lunas? By forming a collective identity for taking action, or a coalition for people can better address these aspirations.
Dahil sa PIO, kaya kailangan magkaroon ng koalisyon para lalo silang mabigyan ng pansin.
Dahil sa PIO. Tama yung koalisyon. Isa sa magiging dahilan para magkaroon mo lang ng mabawasan ng konti ang stigma at discrimination.
Kaming mga PO naghahangad na magkaroon ng tamang impormasyon upang mawala ang stigma at diskriminasyon.
Bumuo ng grupo pang sa katuparan at makagawa ng mga batas na lumilikha ng pantay-pantay na karapatan para sa mga PELs.
Ang pangarap ko ang pag-dream. Wala po diyang pinagbabawalan. Lahat tayo, libre yan.
Nandiyan na sa dulo, sir.
Nasa dulo na, abot na. Abot na.
This has been the dream of many organizations, of many people.
Tingin nyo ano dapat mayroon sa ating bubuuin na coalition?
O yung coalition mismo at mga napapaloob dito ay planning, eleksyon, need assessment, pondo, palakasin ang relasyon ng coalition sa PO, so kasama ang PO din. Dapat po merong kabataan din, hindi lang may kababayan, kalalakihan. Dapat committed ang mapupunta po rito at may sapat na kakayahan.
At represented po sana ang mga bawat lugar. Gusto ko yung tanong na pwede tayo umusad. Kailan? Isang tingin nyo kailan? Ngayon na!
I nominate Mayor for chairman.
Kakadi pong chairman, walang ibang mabuti si Mayor.
Atin pong itinanim, planted the seed, at dapat ho upang siya'y maging malago, katulad ng tree na inyong ginawa. Kinakailangan ito ay have to weather the time. Kaya mainit, kaya maulan, bumagdiman at humangin, dapat manatili siyang nakatayo. At ang mga ugat na yan ay dapat naka-anchor sa magandang lupa. Ang ating mga GOs, ang mga ating non-government organizations, ay tutulong upang palaguin, patabain, at siya ay mamunga ng masagana.
I, having been duly sworn as of the Coalition of Organizations of Persons Affected by Leprosy.
I'd like to thank Mark Nana, who spearheaded and really spent his time and made his effort to make this happen the past 2 years. WHO is ready to support this kind of activities in addition to medical and health interventions. I'd like to congratulate him on this great achievement.
At last, this is a dream come true because it has been planned for almost 2 years now on how we could put together the patients' organization. And from the meetings, from the workshops that we saw, I think the patients' organizations now realize their importance in the leprosy control program.
Forward and see the day that they can actually be part of the leprosy service rather than being a receiver of the services. I think it's really good to make a huge success. It's going to be a role model to the world.
I was very impressed by this workshop, and I can see that the Filipino, the people's organization, how they so active and so they involved in trying to working together to make the chance of the to reduce the stigma, and I also see that it will be a good future for the coalitions. If they're working together, we can really make some change.
I am happy this is coming to a reality, and I'm glad that we have come to this point that all of us came together and finally reached that coalition.
Sa nakalipas na 3 araw ng pagbubuo ng koalisyon ay napatunayan na mayroong pangangailangan na magsama-sama na buuin ang isang samahan na naaayon sa pagkakaisa ng layunin na magkaroon ng isang malaking boses para sa isang magandang direksyon at pananaw, the voices of humanity. So these voices becomes now a big voice that can influence policymakers, that can move the NGOs to join hands and participate in it.
I'm in full support of people like Art to have a passion for this, and I just like to reiterate I'm in support of what you're doing. This coalition between different countries, the support of international foundations like Sasakawa, and I guarantee also the support of the Department of Health for all of your needs.
As a part of the non-government organizations, we are proud that the persons afflicted with leprosy
are actually strengthened and are actually becoming more empowered through this event. For our part sa Philippine Dermatological Society, we had parang somehow pledge that we would help in the research, sa networking, tsaka resource persons for the education and awareness part of the program. We are here to support all the endeavors of the coalition.
I have a good impression sa activity na ito regarding the peoples affected by leprosy. Because maganda ang patutunguhan sa nakikita ko dahil ang emphasis is para sa kanila.
Congratulations sa nangyari. I hope that all the promises made and all the commitments will be transformed into something tangible.
Pinaka-importanteng mission natin ay ang masiguro na lahat tayong apektado ng sakit na leprosy ay makakamit natin ang ating human rights. Kailangan natin ng isang malakas na samahan ng mga people affected by leprosy para makagawa tayo ng isang programa na talagang matugunan yung problema ng stigma.
I was very impressed because so far all the person affected leprosy in the Philippines, they are individually, each organization is involved. But this time the coalition is make the one body. I think this coalition really can protect and lead in proper way and right direction to protect and benefit for the parts in the Philippines. And also, it is very good for the making the network each other. We can help, we can use each other to giving the better place and benefit, and then avoiding the stigma or in social concern. This is a better way to awareness to the public, and we can work together with the cooperation. I suggest this could be the more and more, and we Solo Uni Foundation is really supporting to this kind of gathering from now on.
Sa 3 araw, para yatang ang galing, masaya, tsaka parang nagle-level up na kami. Sana mas maano pa yung mas matagumpay talaga yung ginagawa natin na coalition.
I think malaking bagay yung nabuo yung koalisyon. Base sa karanasan natin sa mga bansa all over the world. Kumbaga, the journey has just begun.
The question is coming to my mind, how are we going to get there? With the inputs that we had here during the past 3 days, probably this would inspire us to go on, and probably this is how we would like to say this is where we want to go and how we are going to go there.
Ito ay isa lamang simula. At tayong lahat ay siyang simula. Dapat tayo magdugtong-dugtong upang ang simula ay mayroong maayos at may kahinaan.